Right, one more time.
Dali, dali. One more time. I-video ko.
Okay, go to daddy.
She's like, what just happened? What the hell? Her legs, dude, what the hell? Are you okay? Huh? Okay, wait there. Stand up, come here. Hold daddy. Ha ha ha.
I'm tired.
You're wet?
Oh
You wet a little bit? Joshua,
All
here.
right, whoever gets this pine cone
no. Me? I can
gets
use it?
$5. $5. Hey, Rick. Now eat it.
Stop.
You didn't even stop.